What's up? What's up? We're streaming live on TikTok and YouTube for you YouTube people. When I talk about link in profile, link in bio, for you, it's the link in the description. All right. Gonna dive into some stuff here today. I have a really pretty awesome announcement that's with an indicator that's helping me find tops and bottoms that I've been working on for a while now. What's up, everybody? I just went live, streaming live on TikTok and YouTube. We'll look at some charts today, check out some other stuff. We'll take a look at ETH. We will do that, send it. We'll look at Bitcoin, then ETH first. As soon as we get to 100 likes, we'll get started. And I have an indicator to show you today that has been working like gangbusters. I've been working on it for a while, and I think I'm finally ready to roll it out. All right, there we go. We've met our like threshold. Feel free to send them in whenever you want. Let's go out here real quick. I start every stream looking at this. This is the lifetime chart of the Bitcoin, right? You see price go up real fast, then down, up real fast, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. You see these blue lines. These blue lines are the Bitcoin halving events. That's when Bitcoin, the amount of Bitcoin that can be mined per day gets cut in half. Look at what price does after these halving events. Rocket, rocket, rocket. Here's the next one in the future, around April 2024. And you see the top of the crypto market is usually about a year to a year and a half after the halving. This halving was in November 2012. The top of the market was December, January 2013. This one was July 2016. The top of the market ended up being December, January 2017-18, so about a year and a half there. This last one was, again, about a year and a half. So the next one I expect to be about a year and a half. So this is the most important thing to know in all of crypto. Let's dive in a little deeper and look closer at the 1 hour chart of Bitcoin. Portuguese Beast just says Coinbase surpassed FTX. I'm assuming you mean in market cap. Is that probably what you mean? And that would make sense because I just put up a video on YouTube today, actually, and I went over that because BlackRock is now incorporated with Coinbase, the biggest asset manager in the world, BlackRock. Now they've incorporated Coinbase into their Aladdin system, and that allows all their investors in their network to be able to buy crypto with a click of a button, and they'll be doing it from Coinbase. That's a big deal. That's also big money institutions. It's just further and further of the adoption. I love it. So here we go with Bitcoin. We're on the 1 hour chart. Something I really want to point your attention to are these sell and buy signals. I've been working on these for a while, and they're finally at a place where I'm like, yeah, these work pretty well. Now right here we don't have one going because we flashed a sell signal up here, and that has been going pretty well, right? We're still in the sell mode. Something really important to note here is over here to the right is the volume profile. And this red line here is the point of control. What's up, Uber Klep? What's up, Ace? If I don't respond to your comment, it's just because I'm out here and I didn't see it. So we went down below the point of control. This is looking pretty bearish to me. Lever Atlas is down here printing lower momentum waves. Cash flow is coming down. I wonder what RSI is doing. RSI is kind of crossing the oversold zone, though. So interesting. But these signals are working pretty damn good. Here's sell, that worked. Buy, that worked. Sell, we'll call that a profit. Buy, yep, that worked. Sell, that worked. Buy, we'll call that one a loss. Sell, that one. Buy, we'll call that a loss. Sell, that one. Buy, that one. Sell, that probably broke even. So this is, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We'll say about 8 of these were winners. Boy, if you can win, 75% of the time, I can't even explain to you how much profit you can make. So I'll be adding this into the Lever Atlas membership soon. For those of you that aren't Lever Atlas members, I highly suggest getting in now because it's a very good chance that I'm going to raise the price after I add this indicator in here because it's just too goddamn juicy and good. Anyways, support at 22.6 for Bitcoin, says El Kaba, whatever you, sorry. 22.6 support. I don't know if I'm seeing support at 22.6. Let me pull up a different Bitcoin chart where I have more lines drawn, like fib lines and stuff like that. I don't have any fib lines drawn right in here on this particular one. I am on the 1 hour. Maybe if I zoom out to like the 4 hour, maybe I get a better eye on that. You're probably saying 21.6 because of the 200-week moving average. So this blue line is here. That very well could be. I have it at about 22, closer to 22.8, and this is a pretty staunch spike down, and we're still below it. I've been expecting, but here's the thing to really look at here. We're on the 4-hour. Look at this volume profile over here. Look at that volume profile, right? As you see volume come out further and further, it acts as stronger support and resistance. But when it's shallower like this over here, boy, oh boy, that leaves a lot of room for things to go boom. Because, I mean, look what happened over here. Once Bitcoin got past this high volume node over here, it just shot up, right? And then it's come over here, use this volume node as support, and now it's kind of breaking below it. If it keeps breaking, you can see it come back down to, what is this here? That's the 200 moving average there for the 4-hour. Here's the next point of control on this time frame anyway. So you could see Bitcoin coming down to about 21,000 if this trajectory continues, and it could happen kind of quick. Thanks for the follow, Yusuf and Boom Nation. Hit that follow if you haven't yet. How much is this program? You mean the indicator? Well, I actually have a free trial running on the indicator. If you click the link in my TikTok bio, it'll take you to my resources page. This is Lever Atlas, is that indicator. I have a free trial running on it. If you take me up on the free trial, you also get my entire trading course. So, and I'll probably be raising the price on Lever Atlas pretty soon. It depends on which tier you choose, you know, because there's like a lifetime option, a yearly option, a monthly option, so the prices vary. But yeah, for instance, here's a trade-in. I'm over here, right? I'm up 76% on my ETH trade and 41% on my Bitcoin trade. And these are shorts. So I'm profiting on the way down, right? So I'm getting free Ethereum and free Bitcoin. So far right here, I've made about 0.4, almost half an Ethereum that I've gotten for free because I took a short, right? And Lever Atlas allowed me to do that. What's 0.45 ETH worth? I've already taken 0.1 ETH in profit, so really I'm over half an ETH. What is that right now? $800? So there's $800. That, I'll tell you what, the lifetime membership of Lever Atlas is less than $800. So this one trade more than pays for it, straight up. And this isn't like a massive trade. I used 10x leverage. Right, I only put up about $1,000 worth of ETH, and I used 10x leverage. And here I am profiting all this. I've been in this trade for almost a week now. And I took that trade because of Lever Atlas telling me it's a good time to take a short. Are you using Trading Bot? No, and I suggest nobody ever uses a fucking Trading Bot because no. Look at this. How easy is this? Look at this. Let me do this. I've been tweaking this thing forever. Look at this. Sell. Well, that's a winner already. Sell. That's a winner. Hell, you could still be in that sell all the way down here. Hey, how about this buy right here? Well, that's a hell of a winner. How about this sell? That's a winner. How about this sell? That's a winner. How about that sell? Maybe we'll call that one a loser. How about this buy? That's a winner. How about this buy? That's a big winner. How about this sell? That's a winner. Do I need to keep going? Do I need to keep? I've been working on this thing for months, trying to level up the game for my Lever Atlas people. So I'm going to be raising the price on this most likely. But for Lever Atlas members, you're grandfathered in for current ones. I'll be rolling it out probably next week. I just put on a 20x long. That seems aggressive. Do you use Bybit to trade? I do use Bybit to trade. That's what I'm in right here. If you go to my resources page, here's the Bybit link. This is my referral link, but it's the only way you're going to get this bonus, this 3.5% bonus on your first deposit. You could just go to Bybit straight up if you want, but you won't get any bonus. This will at least give you a bonus. Okay. Let's go to ETH now. But how do you know when to buy and sell? Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Does that make sense? So ETH just flashed we're on the 4-hour. ETH just flashed a sell signal. That is already a winner because it flashed it on this candle right here. So we would have got in, I suggest getting in around the middle of the candle, right? So we would have got in about, say, 1625. Right now, ETH is at 1605. It's already a winner. You don't even need to use leverage, guys. You don't even need to use leverage. You can just take no leverage trades and you get free Bitcoin and Ethereum when the price moves your way. I mean, look at this. Buy. That's a winner, small winner. Sell, this is a winner, small winner so far. Here's a sell, here's another winner. Buy, that's a big winner. Sell, that's a winner. Buy, that's a winner. Sell, we'll call that a loser. Buy, that's a winner. Sell, that's probably a break even or a small loser. Buy, that's a huge winner. Sell, that's a big winner. Buy, that's a winner. Sell, that's probably a loser. Buy, that's a big winner. I mean, I've been working on this thing for months, and I'm probably going to be rolling it out next week. So you can cancel before the trial ends. Just want to check out, compare it to my own trading. Yeah, you can. Of course you can. But you won't get that price again. But yes, of course you can. That's why I give the free trial. But you get to keep my entire trading course anyways, and I've charged $1,000 for that course. So ETH just flashed the sell. It's below this moving average too. So this is really interesting. I think that we have more to come down. We do kind of have some volume nodes here, but if ETH gets to like, say, under 1,500, I think there's a big fall that can happen all the way to like this point of control. We do have these Fibonacci lines here. Here's probably a pretty strong one. I'd say 1,300, somewhere between 1,230 and maybe 1,320, something like that. Somewhere between 1,220 and 1,320 is a realistic zone for this to fall. Here's another spot though, because this is a Fibonacci line right here, and this showed strong support. So just under 1,400 could be a strong area of support too. Let's see. What indicators do you use? I just use this one. What's the indicator going to be? Well, it's Lever Alice. It's the same one that I have. Do you short? Yeah, I short. I'm in a short right here, actually. 0.42. I'm on that short for ETH and 0.03 for that one. Oh, LuxAlgo, what's up? Yeah, my coder does it in Pine, because that's the only way you can do it in TradingView as far as I know. LuxAlgo is another good indicator. A lot like this one, actually. Which program you use and which platform. This whole thing is TradingView. Yeah, the whole thing is TradingView. And if you click the link in my TikTok bio, you can see, here's a link for TradingView right here, if you want to check that out. What do you guys want to look at next? Thanks a lot, LuxAlgo. LuxAlgo is a good team, for sure. They have multiple indicators. You guys should feel free to check them out, too. SPX, you want to look at the SPX. I don't usually look at stocks, but let's take a look. Oh, for crypto. Okay, we got to go stocks. Now we want the S&P 500 is what basically the SPX is, right? I mean, I don't do much for stocks, so forgive my ignorance. Thanks for the follow, Arnie. Where can I find your indicator? Everything I'm talking about, you can just click the link in my TikTok bio, which is over here, and it'll take you to my resources page. Lever Atlas is the indicator. I don't know what's going on here. Let's look at a different ADA. Let's look at ADA. Oh, go back to crypto. Let's go to Coinbase. Let's see here. Strong, and we're on the 4 hour. Pretty strong point of control right here. The sell signal went pretty well. The buy went good. Sell, buy, sell. So those are pretty good. This one flashed a buy. That one's probably a break-even trade right there if you use good risk management. Haven't flashed a sell. Wish it would have, but it didn't. Anyways, strong point of control right here. You can see it's doing strong support, strong resistance and support in this area right around 49 cents. Sorry, the link in your profile doesn't work. You could just type it in too, I suppose, but I mean, I click it and here it goes. I mean, it's just loading kind of slow. I wonder if something's going on with the website. Let's go here. Let's refresh this. Maybe something's going on with the website there. Anyways, that's the website up there, or you can just type it in and save it for later. I don't know what's going on here with it. I don't know why it's not working. I'm assuming the web host is having an issue. I'll have to write them about that after the stream, that's for sure. Never mind, got it. Okay. But ETH or ADA, what really got to be looking at this area here. I think if ADA breaks this, if ADA goes like to 48.5 cents, I think that that's pretty bearish. But there's a lot of volume on the way down. Explain the difference between futures and spot in a short way. That's something worth Googling. Send it. Spot is just like when you buy crypto. You know what I mean? Futures is more like a derivative. So that's more speculation on like what the price is gonna be in a different way. But I would really suggest Googling that or watching a YouTube video on it. So ADA's looking interesting. Good to watch. If it goes below this, I think that that's kind of bearish. What else do you guys want to look at? Let's also see if these indicators work, right? So that one, yeah, that's okay. That's a good one. That's a good one for ADA. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's really good. That's good. That's good. That one would be probably, I'll call that a break-even one. That one would have worked. So I'm really happy with how this indicator is turning out. What else do you guys want to look at? Crow. Let's take a look at Crow. Okay, Crow seems to be on its way down. Here's a pretty strong support area right here at about 0.138, something like that. Point of control is probably about 0.137, 13.7 cents. If it breaks below that, you can see quite a drop here probably. 12 cents, then maybe under 12 cents, something like that. The sell signal seems to be profitable. The buy signal was. These sell signals are profitable. Even this little buy one was a little scalp here. This buy was good. The sell, will call that a loss. This buy was a win. Sell was a win. Buy was a win. Sell, will call that a loss. Buy, if you held on, that was certainly a win. Sell, that's a win. So I'm really liking the way it's turning. I've been working on it for months trying to get this thing tweaked where I like where I can back test it and really like the results. I want at least 75%, and I think we finally got there. XRP, let's see here. Can you see ETH getting back above 1650 before it drops even lower? I mean, maybe. I mean, that's not very far away. Where are we right now? Like like at 1600, so that's not very far away. Let's look. We're at a little over 1600, so pretty. This is probably this looks like the point of control to me. They're saying this, but this looks more like the point of control to me on this time frame. Sitting here at about 36 cents. Using it as pretty strong support right here. You see it was resistance. I'd call that resistance too, because it got rejected. If it goes below here, we could really see this drop down. I mean, here's the golden pocket right here at 35 cents and around 35 and 35.5 cents. Here we are at like 34.5 cents, and then this line down here at about 32. So we'll see with XRP. XRP had quite a pump, going from here. It shot up pretty quickly to like over 40 cents. And now it's come back down here to about 36. A lot of the market's looking like, a lot of the market's looking bearish to me. But nonetheless, that sell signal was good. That one was good. That one was good. That one, I think that probably would have been a break even. That one, probably a break even. That one's a win. That one's a win. That one's a big win. What else do you guys want to look at? Solana. Let's take a look at Solana. Point of control right here. Solana's right at that point of control. Right at that point of control. Very interesting. Oh, what's up, Degimon? I think next week is when I'll get this thing rolled out. I've been back testing it and tweaking it, and I think I'm happy enough with it now that I like its win rate. Anyways, Solana's at this point of control right here, as well as hitting this Fibonacci line, and it's hitting, and granted we're on the 4 hour, but here's the 200 moving average that's on the 4 hour. So 200 times 4, whatever, and here's the 50. Below the 50, hitting the 2 at this Fibonacci and this point of control, this is kind of like super strong support right here. So if it breaks this, maybe it comes down here to this trend line and that holds. But after that, I don't know, man. Then you got the golden pocket down here, really. You got maybe this, then maybe a golden pocket about 33, 34. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, Deggy, let me show you real quick. So we're on the 4 hour on Solana. Here was a sell signal. That went pretty good. Buy signal. That went pretty good. This sell signal went pretty good. This buy signal, call that one a loser. That sell went good. That buy, probably a break even if you're using good risk management. That sell, a winner. This buy, a winner. Sell, a winner. Buy, a winner. Sell, call that one a loser. Buy, a winner. Sell, a winner. So I'm really happy with how this is turning out. So how do we get these signals? This is going to be added into Lever Atlas, which is my indicator. If you click the link in my TikTok bio, it'll take you to, although my site, my resources site is having trouble. It must be something with the host, but you just go to that. If nothing else, just remember that link, write it down or whatever, and check back later. So that's what that is. But that's how you get it. I got a free trial running on it right now. Sol will actually wasn't hacked. It was a wallet provider on Solana that was hacked. So it actually had nothing to do with Solana or its actual code or its network. It was a, what's the name of that wallet? It's not Phantom. What's the name of that wallet? The other one. Damn it, what is it called? Yeah, it was actually a wallet that got hacked, Will. Lance Bridges, thanks for the follow. Yeah, I don't know why the website's not working. Anyways, so that's that. Any others you guys want to look at? Let's look at Gala. Just flashed a sell signal on the 4 hour. That buy was a good one. This sell was a good one. This buy, call that one a loser. Sell, that was good. Buy, that was good. Sell, that was good. Buy, that was good. This sell, maybe we can call that a loser. That buy was good. So I'm really liking this. So if this flashed a sell, you got to go with probability. And we see momentum going down on Lever Atlas, right? Bearish divergences forming where price is going up, momentum going down. We're getting these big red dots. We're coming down to a little gap here. I think it's reasonable to think, what the hell? This is not the Gala. Well, whatever the hell this is. Let me go to Gala USD on Coinbase. I don't know why they were ranking it in something else, not dollars, but we're right here. This looks even more so like if it breaks this, I think here's probably your next catch right here around 5.3. And then we can see it go down to, back under 5. And I really like buying Gala under 5. Okay, so price shouldn't fluctuate. Well, I mean, don't you think, in my opinion, if price was going to move, it would have definitely happened by now. And there was, if you looked at Solana, there was a sharp spike down, I think, about a day and a half ago. And I was like, whoa, where'd that come from? And I think it was because of that. And then it just didn't go any lower because it wasn't a massive amount lost. It was like, $8 million, like 8,000 different wallets. And they traced it all back finally to being that wallet provider being the problem. These are 4-hour charts. Yes, this is a 4-hour chart right here. If we go to the 1 hour, we flashed a sell back here too at this point of control, and it's below that point of control on the 1 hour. That buy was a loser. That sell, call that a little winner. That buy would be a winner. Sell would be a winner. Buy would be a winner. Sell would be a winner. Buy would be a winner. Sell would be a winner. Buy winner. Sell. I'm really loving how this is turning out. I'm actually feeling very confident rolling this out now because I know how much you guys are going to look at these and take them as like law, which you shouldn't. You should still look at other indicators. But my back testing shows me they're right about 70 to 80% of the time. So, I mean, granted, it depends on how you trade. If you sit there and just hold on forever and use shitty risk management and don't use stop losses, all those things matter. But, if you're okay with just taking singles and taking little profits and not trying to hit home runs all the time, this is going to be pretty solid. You're welcome, Will. That's Gala. What else are we going to look at? Maybe we should look at Matic. Let's see here. Matic did flash a sell signal. So going down some, but we are hitting this kind of almost point of control, this high volume node here. But if it goes below it, Lever Atlas is kind of showing some momentum moving up, and cash flow, money flow kind of moving up. So interesting there. Matic is quite a darling right now. 89 cents is where we're at. If it breaks down below that, I would definitely be looking to take a short. This would have been a good spot to take a short back here. I like, by the way, with these candles, when it says a sell, I like to take the trade in about the middle of the candle. Whether it's at that price or not, I just set a limit order for that price. If it hits it, if it takes it eventually. And I set my stop loss back just a little bit, usually about 1.5%. So that would have been profitable. This buy was profitable. This sell, let's call it sell a loser. That buy would be profitable. Sells a winner, buys a loser, sells a winner, buys a winner, sells a winner, buys a winner, sells a winner. Okay, see, I really like it. Your indicator, this whole thing is Lever Atlas. So this is original Lever Atlas, which is still my favorite. But just to make things easier for people, I've been working on these buy-sell labels. And I'm going to be adding that to it. But I'll probably be raising the price on Lever Atlas. Anyone that's in it will be grandfathered into the price it's at now. But eventually here, in a little bit, I'll probably raise the price. So if you want to get into Lever Atlas, I highly recommend getting in. Just click the link in my TikTok bio, although the link is seeming to have some problems and I'm not sure. Oh, there we go. Now it should be working. So if you click the link in the TikTok bio, looks like it's working now. There you go. And you can get it. I got a free trial running on Lever Atlas, and you get some bonuses that you get yours to keep no matter what, like my entire trading course, which I have sold for $1,000. But that's Matic. Matic, everything's looking kind of bearish to me. That's what I'm seeing. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. So I call that a winner, winner, loser, winner, winner, loser, winner, 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 winner. Yeah, I'm really liking a big winner over here. That's a big winner down there. Anything else you guys want to look at? Pretty quiet in here today. We've only got 26 people in here. We usually have around 100 for quite a while. We actually rarely get down to 26. Pretty quiet in here today. Maybe everyone ran out to go get Lever Atlas. I don't know. What else would be good to look at? Let's take a look at sand. Ooh, it's under the point of control. Did just flash a buy. I don't know about that one. That sell looks solid. That buys a loser, sells a winner, buys a winner, sells a winner, buys a winner, sell, buy. Those are, well, that was probably a loser. That was a winner, 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 big winner. So right here it's interesting because we're under that point of control. Sand is looking pretty bearish to me. And pretty sideways. Sideways to bearish. It's under that point of control there. Let's go to the 2 hour. Yeah, we did look at ETH already. Do you know how I can buy Divisity? Her BlackRock partner with Coinbase? Yes, I did. I just put up a video on YouTube about that actually. Do you know how I can? Yeah, I don't know what whatever that is. I don't know what that is. How to make 313 a day. Diversity. I don't know what diversity is. So Lever Atlas is purely indicator. You can't trade on the site. No, it's an indicator. So this whole site is TradingView. And this is how to look at charts and see when. And Lever Atlas is an indicator that's compatible with TradingView. Where you trade at is here on Bybit. If you click the link in my TikTok bio, I got links for all that stuff. But here's Lever Atlas, here's TradingView, and here's Bybit. So this is that platform where we're looking at all the charts and everything. Lever Atlas is that indicator at the bottom, and this is where we actually trade. I hope that makes sense. But Sand is looking bearish to me. Looks like I would say that point of control was a resistance and it got rejected. Maybe it comes back up and tests it. We did flash a buy here. And with this win rate, I mean, I guess I can't really hate on that. It does make sense if we come back up here and test this. I thought I'd have a lot bigger response too from rolling something like this out, right? Buy, that one hasn't shown itself yet. Sell, that one probably break even. This buy's a winner. This sell probably break even. Buy, probably break even. So those aren't so good. But that sells a big win. That buys a win. That sells a win. This buys a win. That sells a win. This buys a win. This sells a win. Buys a win. Sells a win. When we move sideways, it's hard to tell. Smaller time frames, probably even smaller time frames. Veracity. Yeah, I really like Veracity. If you go, what you can do to figure out where to buy stuff, go to CoinMarketCap. We'll type in Veracity. Right there, click it. And you go over here and you click on Markets. And I'll tell you everywhere you can buy it. There's KuCoin, Gate, most places you can buy it anyways. Bitfinex, Poloniex, BitThumb, you can buy it on Uniswap, Mexi, apparently Crypto.com exchange, Femex, all these places you can buy Veracity. That's any coin you ever look at, just go to CoinMarketCap and click this market button. And I'll show you everywhere you can buy it. Almost everywhere you can buy it. Show you plenty of places. What's going on oil? I don't know. I don't follow oil or stuff much. You're welcome, Arashed. Hit that follow if you haven't. So you think ETH is going to 1,300? Let's go back and look at that ETH chart a little closer. My gut tells me there's a decent chance. Whoops, not what I wanted. We do have a sell signal flashed, and this has worked out pretty well. I mean, that's already profit. This buy is profit. The sell is profit. 1,300 would be... 1,300 would be about here. It could. I think it could get into the 1,300s. Let's go to the 4 hour. Point of control is probably about right there on this one. That's 1526. I mean, it's a ways down, but I just think the whole market is cooling after being really hot for like 3 weeks. But I don't know, send it. I don't know if it's going to 1,300. There's a strong, at 1,200, there's a very strong volume node right there, which makes sense. It lines right up with the 200 week at about 1225. So, I mean, I could see ETH going down to that. Interested to make 313 a day. Can you help? Why 313? I mean, no, I can't guarantee that. No one can guarantee you that. The only things I could tell you is trading. You know, I mean, here I am. I'm in, about $1,500 in profit right here. That wasn't per day though. I'd been in this trade for about a week. If you want to learn how to do that, click the link in my TikTok bio and take my masterclass how I get Bitcoin and Ethereum for free, because you can do all kinds of trading to earn cash too. But, it is risky. And that's why I create this Lever Atlas indicator, because it seems to have a pretty good... I really love this, but just to make it easier for people, I've been working on these labels. And these have been working out pretty well. We just flashed a sell signal, so I'm inclined to believe it. It's already in the slight profit. This buy got a little profit. That sell was good profit. Buy was good profit. Sell was good profit. This buy is a little profit. This sell's probably a loser. This buy is a little decent profit. This sell, probably a little bit of profit. Stuff like that. Because you can profit when the market goes up and down. What about 1520 to 1510? 1520 to 1510 seems like a pretty hittable spot, I suppose. Should I pay to join you? I'm not here to hold your hand. You know what I mean? I'm not here to hold your hand. I provide a lot of resources. Like, if you take me up on the Lever Atlas, I got a free trial on it for you to try it out for a couple weeks. And you get my entire trading course. It's just yours to keep, So I give lots of help. We have a Discord that I'm in a lot and other traders are in. We got a Discord. But you got to have some confidence in yourself, and you got to just do it. You can't expect everyone else to like know what to tell you. You know what I mean? I'm not saying that's you, but that's just very common. And then this is where we trade, right here. How should I pay to earn it? I cannot do it by myself. I don't know anything about this. Well, that's why I teach, because I can't do it for you. No one can, man. That's why I have, and I include my entire course with the free trial of Lever Atlas, right? And I have this whole masterclass too to teach you about the nuts and the 30,000 foot view of it. So I provide as much help as I can, but no one's going to do it for you, man. No one can do it for you. Like, if that's your mentality, you're literally never going to win. Your Discord's kind of dead, to be honest. There's only so many of us in there. I hop in there. Listen, send it. Hop in there and ask a question. I'll get in there and answer your question. You know what I mean? I don't like Discords that just like ramble on and ramble on. I like to keep it like dense content instead of just insane, constant chatter. Personally, I don't like to be in ones like that because it's just too much. You miss everything, and I don't know. Tell you what, man, you drop a question in that Discord, I'm gonna answer it. Right? Isn't that valuable? Still gotta make your own decisions. 100%, Dagmon. But do you get the point? Send it. You go drop a question in there, I'm going to answer your question. Where else can you say that? You can hop in lots of Discords where there's shitloads of assholes just chatting their asses off. But how many times are you going to get like the guy that owns the damn thing, that runs the thing, that will answer all of your questions? Be happy that it's not a constant chatterbox in there. And there's other good people in there too that will respond to your questions. Like Degimon here. Easy is a pretty good one. There's a lot of good people in there. Kind of dead on this live stream today. This is one of the lower volume live streams I had in a long time. Just messed up on a flow trade, didn't take 1,000 profit. Whew. That's a strong lesson. Got to take profits. Take profits early and often, and move your stop loss to profits early and often. When do Atlas members get the buy sell signals? I think I'll have it rolled out next week. And the price will probably be going up, not for people that are in it before I raise the price. So if you're not a Lever Atlas member now, go hop in. I mean, you can get a free trial right now. And you get my whole trading course. I don't know how much more I can do. I don't know how much more I can do. Do you guys want me to, like, look at the win rate on these buy sells? Like, I'm finally ready to roll it out. I've been working on it for months. And now they're finally to a point where they have about a 70 to 80% win rate on like every chart I look at. So what more could you possibly want? Straight up. We just broke under 25K. You think we go on lower? Bitcoin has been under 25 for quite a while, Devin. Are you talking about Bitcoin? I mean, Bitcoin is like, let me pull it up real quick. Is it like 22.4, under 22.5 right now? But I think that's probably what you meant was 22.5. Yeah, that's what I figured you probably meant. And that is a strong spot because the point of control is right there at about, on the 4-hour time frame anyways, at about 22.8, and it's acted as a pretty strong support and resistance. And now we broke below it, so it's kind of a watch. And Lever Atlas, my buy sell indicator, the buy sell labels now flashed a sell 3 candles ago on the 4-hour. So was that 8 to 12 hours ago? Well, yeah, with the 25, I wasn't sure if you were talking about Bitcoin or something else. I assumed Bitcoin. I figured it was a typo. thought people would be a lot more excited today when I finally show these labels and say I'm like kind of ready to show it. Like, do I need to show you the win rate again? Put a 1 in the chat if you guys want to go through some of the win rates and kind of back test this thing a bit on these labels. And give me any crypto, we'll take a look at it. Models excited, awesome. If we close it under 22.5, then that's a problem. No, I want it to go lower, man. I really want it to go lower. Thank you, Jay Briss. Casey Lane. No, I want shit to go lower because I don't have my bags filled enough yet. I don't have the amount that I want yet. Yeah, I know, Day, I know you are for sure. Throw out a look at ICP. Okay, we'll look at ICP. We got the 4-hour time frame going on. So let me flip this. Let's take a look. Got the 4-hour time frame. Flash to sell signal right here. That's a win. Buy down here. God, nailed that one just perfect, right? Boom. Sell signal. That's a good little profit. Buy signal. That's probably a little profit or a break even. This sell, that looks like a win. This buy, that's a little win, maybe a break even. This sell's a win. We haven't had a loser yet. This buy here is definitely a winner. This sell is a winner. This buy is a winner. This sell, we'll call that one a loser. That's a loser. This buy is a big winner if you held it up to here. Need I say more? How many was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 buy sell signals. At least 10 of them were winners. Wow. Thank you for the follow, Justin Lin. Give me another one. Let's look at another one. What else do you guys want to look at? What's up, Ranjit? I was just showing everyone that Ranjit's a Lever Atlas member and an active Discord member. I'm finally ready to roll out the buy-sell labels for Lever Atlas. I'll probably be rolling them out next week, and we're kind of testing them right now. I see VeChain came through. Take a look at VeChain. We're on the 4-hour time frame. This buy, that's a winner. This sell, call that a loser. This buy, winner. Sell, winner. Buy, small winner. Sell, winner. Buy, winner. Sell, winner. Buy, winner. Sell, call that a loser. Buy, winner. That's on the 4-hour time frame. I saw Gala. That was for VeChain. Let's go to Gala now. See, I'm finally ready to roll this out because I'm feeling confident. We just flashed a sell signal on Gala. Should we trust it? Let's back test. Buy, winner. Sell, winner. Buy, call that a loser. Sell, winner. Buy, winner. Sell, loser. Buy, winner. Sell, winner. Buy, winner. Sell. We'll call that a loser, even though it's probably a break even or slight winner. Buy, winner. So what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 buy sell signals. We'll say 3 of them were losers. So about 75%, and that's what I want. That's what I've been tweaking this thing for months because I wanted about a 70 to 80% win rate on these things. And the sell, so in my opinion, based on our back testing, which we only did 12 here, but we could keep going. Yeah, let's keep going, I guess. To me, it's probably about a 70% chance this is a profitable signal, right? But you got it. But how you use it matters, right? Because if you just try to hit home runs, you do big ass leverage and stuff like big leverage with your whole entire account, and you don't use stop losses and you don't take profits early and often, then you're going to lose because of your own bad management and style. But these signals really set you up. What's up, Jay Briz? Thank you. Casey Lane says sweet. Let's back test Gala a little bit more. Oh, look at this one. Sell. That's a winner. Buy. That's a winner. Sell. That's a winner. Buy. That's a winner. I think we get the point. I'm finally very happy with how this is turning out. Let's do another one. You're gonna make me rich? I hope so. That's legit my goal, man. DCA on my ETH is 1647. That's pretty solid, Lance Bridges, if you look out far enough. What else do you guys want to look at? Give me another coin. I'm really liking this. What else do you guys want to test this with? And by the way, anyone that's not a Lever Atlas member, you can still get it. I'm probably going to raise the price after I roll this out. So if you get in now, you'll get to lock in the price it is now instead of the higher price. Lune C, I almost don't want to because I just want nothing to do with Luna, but we'll pull it up. I don't even know how big that chart is. Oh boy, that's a very sideways ass market. So this sell, that one hasn't played out yet. This buy was certainly a winner. Look at that shit. Boom. Sell, God, it's hard to tell. Where are we at here? Where was the sell signal? Here. I count them as the middle of the candle. So if you took profit, you could have made a slight profit there. We'll call it a loser though. Buy, that's a winner. Sell, that's a winner. Buy, we'll call that a loser. Sell, winner. Buy, winner. Sell, winner. Buy, we'll call that a loser. Sell, winner. Buy, winner. Sell, winner. So, digging it. Boy, Lune C though, man, I don't want anything to do with that. I just really don't. Flow, let's take a look at Flow. Flow's kind of crazy. Right, it pumped up a bunch earlier today. Flash to buy signal right here on this first candle. And by the way, when we do these, I find optimal results so far is that you don't just like take, oh, just because it says buy, you just immediately take the trade. No, you want to take the trade somewhere in the middle of the candle. Obviously as low as possible on a buy or as high as possible on a sell. But I find reasonably if you can just take it in about the middle of the candle is what I suggest, because that's where I was back testing it from, is the middle of the candle. So not the bottom, not the top, just in the middle. Because typically you just set the go to buy bit and you set your order for whatever price you decide on. Sometimes your order will get taken, sometimes it won't. But if you go there, I mean, look, that's good profit. This sell, when it was right here, that's probably a break even, maybe a little loss depending on the way you decide to play it. This buy's a win, that sells a win. This buy would be a slight win if you took profit early and often and moved your stop loss, but we can call it a loser, even though, again, it depends on how you manage this stuff. I take profit early and often, and I move my stop loss into profit as soon as possible. I'm not looking to hit home runs, man. I just want to hit singles. This sell is a winner. This buy is a winner. This sell is a winner. Buy is a winner, this sell is a winner, this buy, we'll call that a loser. We'll call this sell a loser too, but again, how you manage it matters. For me, that would probably be a break-even trade. And so would this buy right here. This buy is a winner, that's a big winner. This sell is a winner, so works pretty well there on that one, on Flow. What else we want to look at? ADA, it's been going, we just looked at ADA, but let's pull it back up anyways. I mean, if you're asking for it, I'm gonna take a look at it. Just flashed a sell signal. Again, we're on the 4 hour. Just flashed a sell signal literally on this candle. So I would want to set the sell or the short for somewhere in the middle of the candle. So probably about just under 50 cents, like 0.4998 or something. Oh, I'd take it right where it's, well, I'd probably put it at like 0.498, something like that. This buy signal would be a slight winner. Again, if you took profit early and often and moved your stop, which I do, but we can call that a loser, even though it's very easy to make that into a break-even or slight profit trade. That's a winner. 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 That one would be a break-even or a loser. Buy, that's a winner. So, dug it pretty good on ADA, excuse me. You the man, my brother. Appreciate your efforts. Thanks, Casey. I've been working on this thing for months, but keep it straight. Like, I make these things for myself. Like, that's why I made Lever Atlas down here for myself. It took me months to do this. And then people wanted it, so I was like, well, I'll roll it out then. So now there's a lot of you good Lever Atlas members, and so I want to keep adding to it. And I thought, how can I really help? Because this thing can be hard to interpret for people, especially if you're newer. So I'm trying to just make it as easy as possible. And I really like the win rate of this. Matic, let's take a look at Matic. If this doesn't get you excited, like, I really don't think you know what you're looking at. Just flashed a sell signal on Matic. This buy, that buy would be a loser. That sell would be a winner. Buy's a winner. Sell's a winner. Buy, we'll call that a loser. Sell, that's a winner. Buy, that's a big winner. Sell, yeah, that would, for me, that would be a break even or a slight winner, but we'll call it a loser. This buy, same thing, slight winner or maybe a loser. Again, we're talking about stop losses. Sell, that's a winner. Buy, that's a winner. This sell, yeah, it would be a slight profit or break even for me, but we'll call it a loser. That buys a winner. So I'm pretty good there on Matic. I think that was probably about 60 to 70% on Matic there in that time frame on the 4. But if we go down to, like, say, let's go to the 1 hour. Now we're going to test it on other time frames too. I like it on the 4. I haven't found a time frame that I really don't like it at. Right, here's a winner. You just can't get greedy, right? For this sell signal, it's right here. I'd probably take the trade at like just over 90 cents, and here we are right now at 88 cents, just under 89 cents. You can't get greedy, like, oh, I'm already in win, so I would move my stop loss just past my entry point to be able to lock in profit, and I'd probably take a little bit of profit. This buys a winner. This sell, we can call that a loser. This buys a winner, sells a winner, buys a winner, sells a winner, buys a winner, sells a winner. This buy over here is a big-ass winner. So, works pretty good on Matic. How early you get those signals, because it's easy to say buy, sell when the trade already happened. You get them on the candle, man. So when this candle, this sell doesn't pop up like way later. That's a good question, though. But it pops up on the candle. You know what I mean? Like, what were we just looking at? ADA? Right? No, what were we just looking at that just flashed a sell signal? Damn it, what was it? Was it Loon C? Yeah, you flashed it. That's what were we just looking at that just flashed one? Was it VeChain? Oh, that was a winner too. Was it Gala? Yeah, it's pretty close. I mean, those are all working out. And we just looked at Matic, Lance. Let's look at Sol. We looked at Sol, but you guys are requesting it, so I want to keep testing it. So that's a winner, that's a winner, that's a winner, that's a winner, that's a winner. That would be a winner or a break even. Again, you just can't be greedy. Don't ever go for home runs. Just take singles, right? When it goes up a little bit, just take profit early and often and move that stop loss to your entry or a little bit past your entry. Sell, that's a winner. Buy, that's a winner. Sell, that's a winner. Buy, that's a big winner. This sell is a loser. This buy is an even bigger winner. This sell over here is a winner. So it worked pretty good on Solana so far. And we're still in a sell signal on Solana. Ranjit, lost my money in May, broke even in June, up in July, so I think I'm slowly getting better. That would make a lot of sense, man. That's kind of, as you do more and more and don't give up, you just get better. I mean, when I started out trading, I lost my ass. Because I was making all the mistakes, going for home runs, not really having a real strategy, not really sticking to one, being all emotional, going with my gut. And it's just like, no. In particular, when you see things like say here. So this is Lever Atlas. I don't want to say 1.0. This is to me core Lever Atlas. So you see how we printed this red dot up here? This white dotted line is the overbought zone. So when you print a red dotted line up there and it flashes a sell signal, look how nice that worked. Now, that doesn't always line up. Here is a good one, right? Here's one that went down. Plus, this is actually a bearish divergence. What I mean by that is if you look at this low, and this is a lower low, right? So price is going down. But then you look at the corresponding waves. You see this wave all the way down here, and this wave being shallower. So price is going down, momentum is going up, and we flashed a buy signal. Get in that sucker. Boom. Like that. That's a nice profit right there, going from about $39 up to a top of almost $41. So that would be about a 6% trade. Very good. A lot of profit to be made there. And it's not about making a lot in any one trade. It's about making, 1 to 5% on most of your trades, straight up. You do that, that adds up so incredibly fast. But most people won't do that. Just bought Lever Atlas. Finished your class yesterday. That's awesome, Vox. Since you're a Lever Atlas member, be sure to go through the course because here's the class. But now that you have Lever Atlas, you have access to my entire trading course, which I will be updating soon, but it's yours to keep. And I used to charge during the height of the crypto market, I was charging $1,000 for that course. And then I just decided, you know what? I'm just going to give it away to Lever Atlas people because I want you guys to be successful and I want you to learn as much as you can. Okay? So I just give you, so be sure to go through the course. Can you show ETH on the 4 hour again? Sure, let's go to ETH. Let's go back to the 4 hour. So ETH on the 4 hour, we got this kind of high volume node. It is breaking down. So it looks like a strong support here at about 1560. It did flash a signal a few candles ago. So that's already a profitable trade at about, I probably would have said, and again, I want you to remember, when I see these flash, I say no matter where the price is currently at when it pops up, I suggest putting your trade at the middle of the candle, whatever that price is. So here, call it 1625, and just let it sit, right? So you would just place your order and wait to see if it takes it. If it doesn't take it, oh well, move on to the next trade. But don't try to get the very bottom of it, and certainly don't just FOMO in at the top of a candle. Get in at the middle of the candle. Give yourself some room. But give yourself a reasonable probability that the trade will be taken too. You know what I mean? So when I back test all this, that's the way I look at it. I hope that makes sense. So we're already in the profit there, right? So on this candle, the middle of the candle would have been about 1625, we'll call it, and we're at like 1590 right now. That's a pretty profitable trade, even if you're not using leverage. That's all you need. Most want moonshots. Greed, Degumon, absolutely. Guys, don't go for moonshots. It's not about trying. If you go for home runs, you will lose your entire account, because you only need to really screw up once, and you got to use that stop loss, and you got to take those little losses, because it's the sum of the game, not any one move, right? So right here, sure, this already turned into a profitable trade. This buy, that was a profitable trade, but just a little profit. Can't be greedy, and I'm not greedy, right? Flash the buy here. I probably would have gotten in at about 1633, 1635, something like that, and it went up to 1670. I would have definitely taken profit at probably like 1660, part of my position, and I would have moved my stop loss to like my entry or a little above it to lock in that profit and minimize my downside. And if this thing took off, awesome. If it came down and stopped me out and then took off, oh well, that's part of the game. I got a little profit. I'm very happy with that. This sell, same thing. I probably would have closed a good amount of my position, moved my stop, and I would have got stopped out probably somewhere around here. This buy signal, pretty goddamn good right there. Sell signal, really good. Buy signal, that's a profitable move. This sell one, I'm going to call that a loser. This buy one, that's a winner. That sell, that's a little bit of a winner as long as you're not greedy. This buy is a big ass winner. Sell's a big ass winner. So how do you get the big wins, right? If you're taking profit early and often, I usually leave 25 to 50% of my trade in the trade, and I just let it run, and I keep moving my stop loss as appropriate. But I want to get my stop loss to my entry point, or actually a little, like if I got on here at, I don't know what, 1670, I would probably move, since I'm on a short, I would probably move my stop loss as quickly as I could to 1667. Why? And I always do $3 basically on Ethereum. On Bitcoin, it would be a little more. It depends on the coin. But because if it hits my stop loss on Bybit, it charges me market price. So it charges me a taker fee. So I don't want to pay that fee. I don't want to take a loss at all. So I usually on ETH, I do about $3. So if I got in at 1670 on a short, I usually move my stop loss to 1667 as soon as I can. Because that way when it closes, I'll get a little tiny sliver of a profit, and I'm happy with that. But I usually take profit too in part of my position on the way. I hope that makes sense. Thanks for sharing the video, Jimmy. You guys want to look at anything else? You guys want to test anything else? Because I'm loving this, man, because I'm about to roll this thing out probably next week. My coder's just putting on the my coder developer, whatever the hell he is putting on the finishing touches, and I'm going to check it out. But man, I am liking this. CKB. I'm not sure what CKB is, but let's take a look. Let's test it. This buy signal's a winner. That sell signal's a winner. This buy signal's a winner. That sell signal's a loser. This buy signal's pretty damn good winner. That sell one, for me, it would probably be a break-even trade, but we'll call it a loser. This buy, that's a crazy count. I'm going to call that a loser. That's ridiculous. That's a crazy one. Sell, that would be a little bit of a profit. Do the middle of the candle, take the profit down here. Buy, little profit. Sell, nice profit. Buy, nice profit. Sell, call that a loser or break even. Buy, that's a really nice profit. Sell, call that a loser. Buy, this is a crazy coin. This is not a coin that I would trade. This thing's insane. What is going on here? What is CKB? even so, because this isn't built to handle, like, I don't know what CKB is, but it seems like an extra volatile coin. Because look at these candles. Boom. This is the 4 hour. Boom. 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 These wicks are insane. I would not trade this coin. Absolutely not. Do you need a paid account on TradingView to use this? You don't. I do recommend having the lowest paid tier, though, just because you get more features. But no, you could just go with the free one. To have that much to trade. I'm not sure what you mean, Deggy. Filecoin, sure, let's take a look. Filecoin's one that I like. Sell signal, that's a winner. Buy signal, that's a big ass winner. Sell signal, that's a winner. This buy one, it's a tiny winner. Again, if you're using take profit early and often and get that stop up. Sell, that would be a winner. Same thing. Call that buy a loser. That's a winner. That's a winner. Call that a slight winner. That's a really good winner. That is a winner. That is a winner. That's a loser. That is a winner. Yeah. Oh, I'm just feeling so excited. I knew today I wanted to come on here and have you guys test this by just calling out coins for me. And I'm impressed. I am. See comment above that. Bybit gave me notification someone just did Bitcoin trade for 8.5 mil perpetual. Jesus. The question is, was it a short or a long? Do you know? Wait. Oh, $8.5 million worth of Bitcoin? Damn. You average 7 to 8 out of 10 are winners. It's fantastic. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. That's why I've been tweaking this thing, because I wanted to have at least 70%. And I've been back testing it in different time frames and different coins. Now, I don't say it's going to work that well. Like we just looked at that CKB. I'm glad we pulled that up, because that's an extra volatile, probably really small cap, way less established project or coin. I don't trade that. I don't think you can even trade that stuff. I don't know where you would find CKB. I mean, Bybit has a lot of things you can trade with, but I mostly just trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. But you can trade all kinds of stuff. But I like to do inverse perpetual, where I get ETH and Bitcoin as my profit. I'm at 80% profit on this trade. Did 10x leverage on it. I've been in it since last Friday. And I've already taken out 0.1 ETH, 0.01 Bitcoin. I'm very happy with this, because I've been feeling, look where I got in at. I got in at 1722 and 24.4. I was like, I think these are pretty strong resistance points, and I've just been letting it ride out. There were times where it went back above these. I didn't move my stop. These ones I didn't, because I feel so goddamn strong about them. Don't necessarily do what I do, just do what I say. Where does the leverage come from? Bybit, the platform here, literally loans you the crypto. You don't pay interest or anything on it. It just adds to. I don't want to get into exactly how it works, because it's going to be hard for me to explain. But just essentially, you can take out, basically, if you do a limit order, right? If you do a limit order, you actually get paid to borrow the money, because you get what's called a maker's rebate. But if you do a market order, you get a taker's fee. Okay. With that being said, they profit from you trading, right? From those taker's fees, from liquidation fees and shit like that. So you got to be careful. This is for all intents and purposes, this is really kind of a casino. But it's not rigged towards the house. I mean, it is. This is a very profitable company. They always will be. It is rigged because most traders do not win, because most don't take the time to learn and execute a real strategy. And don't use good risk management, right? People try to hit home runs and they just drain their accounts because they don't use stop losses. They try to hit home runs all the time and they just don't use the proper strategies. That's where I store it until I trade it for Tether. And now that's a good point, because you can trade lots of things on here. So this is an inverse perpetual trade, meaning that I'm trading with my ETH and my profit is paid to me in ETH. If you just do regular trades, margin trading, spot trading, even USDT perpetual, I would recommend that one, because we're doing inverse contracts. These are all the ones you can do inverse with. You can do Mana, Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, XRP. So that's where you get your profit is paid to you in the underlying coin. With USDT Perpetual, your profit is paid to you in USDT. Hope that makes sense. You get any other? I'm really liking this. You guys got another coin you want to look at? Because I'm fucking pumped. What else do we want to look at? How about? I don't know. What do we want to look at? I get asked about HBAR a lot. Let's take a look at HBAR. Although you can't really trade. I mean, you could probably trade it USDT Perpetual. That sell signal's already a winner. That buy one's a good winner. That sell one's a winner. This buy one's a winner. Sells a winner. Buys a winner. Sells a winner. Whoo! Buys a winner. Sells a winner. Buys a winner. Sell. That would be a break even probably for me. Maybe a slight loser. That buy would probably be a slight profit or break even. Sell. So this little sideways zone. I mean, if you held this buy, it'd be a winner. And that sell would probably be, because it came down again more. I shoot for the middle of the candle. If I had taken profit down here or moved my stop, depends on how you trade. When you get into things like this, when it's tight, depends how you trade. But these, that's why you use stop losses, right? So you just take little losses when you do lose, and then you allow yourself to get these big ass gains. I mean, look at all those. How many in a row is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in a row. Yeah, buddy. XRP. I think we already looked at XRP, but let's look at it again. Sell signal, that was obviously a winner. That was a winner. That was a winner. This one, again, set it for the middle of the candle. And then it goes up a bit. So if you take profit early and often and move your stop as soon as possible, then that would be a slight profit. But it could be a little loser too if you let it take your stop. We'll call that one a loser. That one I would say would be at least a slight winner. That would be a winner. That would be a big winner. That would be a solid winner. Another winner. That's a winner. Call that one a loser. But again, you just take little losses by getting your stop hit, but you allow yourself all these other wins. And if you can win more often than you lose, like, it's crazy what can happen. What's up, Ace? You seeing this, Ace? I think I'm finally ready to roll out my buy sell labels. Sure, let's take a look at Doge. That's a winner. 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 These 5 trades right here are fucking massive. That's a winner. Call that a loser. That's a winner. That's that could be a winner if you use the right stuff. Call that one a loser. Boy, oh boy, I like it. Cube. What is Cube? If Cube is, I don't know what Cube is. Cube coin. Yeah, this isn't something I would trade. And this just seems to be just down. That doesn't seem like something I want to get in, period. Give me another one. I'm really digging this. What else do we want to look at? How about, God, what else do we want to look at? What else do we want to look at? Looks like if you just stuck with, you can't trade this one anyways, but if you just stuck with this sell up here, you'd be doing pretty good. What else? What else could we look at? Algo. Let's take a look at Algo. Just flashed a buy signal. That's an interesting one. But I'm trying not to think about them, to really test them out. If it says buy, I buy. That sell was a winner. I use the proper, right? I do my about middle of the candle for about 33 cents. Take some profit down here quickly. This buy's a good winner. That sells a good winner. That buys a loser. That sells a winner. This buys a loser. That sells a winner. That buys a big winner. That sells a winner. This buy would be a winner. The sell would be either slight profit or loser. This buy would be a winner. So I dug that on Algo. Right, so how many was that? Buy, this one hasn't played out yet. I'm going to assume winner, but it could be a loser. It's coming into a high volume node. I think overall we're in a downtrend, but things are, Lever Atlas is showing momentum shifting up, so interesting. That sell was a winner. Buy is a winner. Winner, loser, winner, loser, winner, 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 winner. Call that a, I mean, to me that's a winner, but just to be conservative, call a loser, and that was a winner. So I dig it. Quant, let's take a look at Quant. Just flashed a buy signal on Quant too. right here on this count. Let me extrapolate this a little bit. Right there. So I'd probably take it probably about 105-ish. We'll see what happens. The buy signal's still in effect. I probably would have got stopped out at this point. Maybe this one ends up being a loser. I don't know. That one looks like that was a winner. That one was a winner. That one was a winner. Although, straight up, I probably would have got stopped out over here in a small profit and not got this, because that's the way I trade, and that's okay. That's part of the game. Buy. That one would be a winner if you held it, but I probably would have taken profit quick and got out. That one probably would have taken profit quick and got out, got stopped out. That one's a good winner. That was an okay winner, a little bit of profit there. That buy is a really good winner. That sell, call that a loser. This buy down here, very good winner. That sell, also a good winner. I'm so happy. I've been working on this for months. Me and my coder developer guy. Tron, let's take a look at Tron. Just flashed a buy signal a candle ago. So I would have wanted to get in on that candle. We are on the 4 hour and it's already in the profit. So I would take a little profit and move my stop loss to around my entry. Sell, that one was a winner. Buy, that was a really good winner. Sell, good winner. Buy, small winner. Sell, small winner. Buy, small winner. Sell, call that a loss. Buy, that's a nice winner. Sell, that's a winner. Buy, winner. Sell, call that a loser. Buy, that's a winner. Sell, slight winner. Buy, that's a pretty decent winner. Sell over here, another good winner. I'm just fucking loving this. Absolutely loving this. Just feels so good, man, because I've been working on this for so many months. And I'm just going to love the shit out of it when all the Lever Atlas people are just like making profit hand over fist. That's what I really want to have happen. Let's look at XRD. The latest was a sell signal. That's in the profit. This buy signal, there was some profit there. Sell, that was a profit. Buy, that was a profit. Winner, winner, winner. Yeah, call that one a loser. Winner. Really good winner. Decent winner. Pretty good winner. Yeah, works pretty good on XRD. I think that's a pretty decent. There's another one back here too. Sell, that's a winner. Buy, that's a winner. Sell, that's a winner. Buy. Sell. These are really. I mean, come on. Does this not get you excited? You got to be going 6 to midnight. Is this your software? Yeah, this is my indicator. Lever Atlas. This is core Lever Atlas. I think that's probably what I might call it. And then this is the next addition to Lever Atlas is the buy sell labels. Right, Ace? Ace, are you a Lever Atlas member? I think you are. Anyone listening, if you're not a Lever Atlas member, I'm probably going to be raising the price. I'll be rolling these out. Probably the buy sell labels probably next week. And if you're a Lever Atlas member before then, you get grandfathered into the price it is now. But eventually, soon, I will probably be raising the price and you won't get that if you're not in it by then. And I'll make a video on how I'm really using these again, just to kind of sum it up. When a sell flashes, I place a limit order on Bybit in about the middle of the candle. I don't try to go for the very tippity top, I go for the middle. And I also don't FOMO in to the bottom of it on a short, and vice versa on a long. Give me another one. I want to look at more. I'm just loving this. By Mina, I'm guessing you mean Mana. My lad Hakeem. Do you mean Mina or do you mean Mana? I'm going to pull up Mana, assuming you mean Mana, because I don't know what Mina is. Just flashed a buy signal a bit ago. That's already in profit. And you can trade Mana. Inverse perpetual, too. Over here on Bybit. Down here, see the Mana? You can trade Mana. You're saying you do mean Mina? Okay, I'll look up Mina. That sell was a winner, that buys a winner, sells a winner, buys a winner, sells a winner, buys a winner, sells a loser, buys a winner, sells a winner, buys a winner, sells a loser, buy, call that a loser, sell, winner, buy, winner, sell, winner. Love it. I don't know what Mina is. If Mina is like a really volatile little small cap like shitcoin, because I just don't know what it is. So sorry, I just kind of make assumptions. And the charts look okay though. There's some pretty big wicks, but that buy, that's already in profit. That sell was profit. Buy was a winner. Sell's a winner. Buy, where's it at? Call that a loser. Sells a winner. Buys a winner. Sells a winner. Buys a winner. Sells a loser. Buys a winner. Sell is a winner. Buys a winner. Sells a winner. Buys a winner. Sells a winner. And then we got a cluster back here. That buy and sells over here. It looks like they could be winners if you took profit early and often because there's just so much volatility over here. But you also could have got stopped out. But when it's not going insane, it looks like it works pretty well. Ren, let's take a look at Ren. Just flashed a sell signal. 1 candle ago. We're on the 4 hour, just flashed a sell signal. The buy here, again, if you take profit early and often and move your stop, you probably would have been all right, but we could call that a loser. That would definitely be a winner. That's a winner. That's a winner. Loser. Winner. Winner. Loser. Winner. 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 You call that a loser. Call that a loser. Winner. Winner. Definitely a winner over here. So that's Ren. Let's look up Cosmos. Just flashed a buy signal a few candles ago. That's already in the profit. Sell was a winner. Buy's a winner. Sell's a winner. Buy. If you took profit early and often and move your stop, that could be a slight winner. Sell, same thing there. Buy a winner. Sell a winner. Buy a winner. Sell a winner. Buy a winner. Let's move this thing over even more. Sell a winner. Buy, same thing. Profit early and often and move your stop. That would be at least a slight winner or a break even. Sell, that's quite a damn winner. That buy, we'll call that a loser. That's quite a win. I'm just feeling so, I've been working on this for months. I feel, and I didn't even start telling you guys about it till like a couple weeks ago because I started showing it on the screen, but I was making it clear that I wasn't ready. Now I think I'm ready. Mina is a smaller L1. I mean, we haven't found one yet, right? That doesn't have probably at least like a 70% win rate. It's exciting. But a lot of it has to do, again, no guarantees. Not financial advice, can't guarantee a damn thing. Because a lot of it has to do with how you trade, right? If you go for home runs all the time, you put your whole account on the line and you use 100x leverage, like these aren't going to matter because your style is just a losing style. It's too reckless and too gambly. But if you just go for little singles, little wins, and let the big wins come to you when they come to you, don't ever go chase them. That, to me, in my opinion, is by far the best mentality and strategy to have. I hope that makes sense. I'm going to make a video for all Lever Atlas members showing exactly how I'm using this and exactly what I just showed with you. Very solid on stable coins. Yeah, I would think so. I'm just so excited to finally almost be done with this. Or to have it ready. I should say done with it. But I just feel very happy. Because so many people come into like Lever Atlas, I'm going to call it core Lever Atlas, I guess. The momentum waves and the divergences and the money flow and the VWAP and everything. I like it so much. It's such a good indicator. But I find it's hard for a lot of people to get acclimated to, especially so many people are newer. So I wanted a way to make it just even easier. Because if we go through, let me flip this again and show you some other things. It doesn't always line up like this, but like look at this top signal right here, right? And you see it starting to go down, the momentum going down, and price is going like sideways, and then a sell signal flashes right here when it's crossing the 0 line. Like that's a really strong signal, right? When we have this green here, this is a bullish divergence, right? Because price is going down, momentum is going up, and then we see a buy signal flash. Like me, I'd probably take the trade before that buy signal flashed because Lever Atlas Core will get me in earlier. But if you see that and a buy signal, look what happened. Boom, right? Look at this. We have this bearish divergence. Follow that one. When does the sell signal flash? Right there. Nails it. Now the buy signal with this bearish divergence going on, you don't know it's a bearish divergence yet at that point. But we can say here too, look, this top right here prints and then a sell signal. So you're like, all right, that's fairly strong, but you're still conservative. You could turn that into a slight profit or a break even. Same thing, even if you just look at it just like a high above the overbought or oversold, which is these white lines, like we have this green dot down here, right, in the oversold zone, right? And so we have a buy signal flash, just like, oh, that's even more probability. Boom, off to the races. Over here, we have a top print, but we don't have a sell. And then we have a bearish divergence and another bearish divergence, and then a sell signal flashes. Boom. Just to add extra probabilities. We got price going down / sideways and having momentum going up, and we flash a buy signal. Boom. Same thing over here, right? We have these waves, right? Price is going up and sideways, but up, and momentum's going down, and then it flashes a sell signal. Boom. So if you can line it up all together like that, it has an even higher win rate. There's less trades to be taken, but it's an even higher win rate. I hope that makes sense. You have no idea what you're talking about. I'm not going to take that bait, bud. Jupiter, any thoughts? I don't know much about Jupiter, Anton. It's weak, worth a look. Jupiter. It's a very interesting coin. God, I'll flip this back around, pull this up. That is like the most sideways thing, but that's it's probably pretty small cap. I can just tell something about it just looks kind of a little extra volatile to me, even though it's going sideways as hell, because it's really hard to control price like this on something with a big enough market cap. Like here's this buy signal would have worked out pretty well actually. This sell, I suppose, would have worked out because it never really got back up there. This buy signal, not really. Sell a little bit. It's a weird coin. I don't think you could even trade this coin. You know what I'm saying? I don't think it's available to be traded on like Bybit. This sell would have worked. This buy would have worked. This sell would have worked. The buy would have worked. This sell, break even, or you take a loss because it hits your stop. This buy was pretty good, but I don't trade coins like this. I can just tell that this is probably a pretty small cap coin. 11 mil market cap. That makes sense. Because the problem with when it's that small of a market cap is that it can be manipulated so much by just one person, so easily. You have the full support of the Brotherhood. I don't mean to be disrespectful, but I think all humans are equal, for sure. But thank you. So it's more a buy and hold kind of coin. Oh, Jupiter. I could see that because it can't really go much lower. 11 mil market cap, you know? It's something that could definitely moonshot eventually. So I see that. It's something, I get involved in those type of things when we get closer to a bull market. With a small percentage of my portfolio for that exact reason. I kind of expect that money to be gone, but that's exactly what it's there for, because one or two real winners are dramatic. It's got real use cases. Well, that helps. That certainly helps. Certainly helps. Some are more equal than others. They buy crypto. Casey Lane, slow and steady wins the race. Every now and then I'll swing for the fence. I would suggest literally never swinging for the fences. Let the home runs come to you. Never chase them. because even a broken clock is right twice a day. It's true. Anything happened with Voyager court hearing today? I don't know. I'm literally not even paying that much attention because it just upsets me. When something real happens, I'll certainly hear about it. But until then, I think we'll get a portion of our crypto back. We'll see. So I'm probably going to pop off here in a second. Again, I'm going to be likely be rolling out the buy-sell labels on Lever Atlas next week. If you're in before then, you will get that price. I will probably be raising the price after I do the buy-sell labels. I haven't completely decided on that, but if I don't do it right away, I will eventually. Because right now I have a free trial running. Right, you can get free, 2-week free trial of Lever Atlas, and you get some bonuses to keep, like my entire trading course, right? So I just really, really recommend it, obviously. But not financial advice. These are just my opinions. I can't guarantee anything for you. Any outcomes for you. I can guarantee I'll give you Lever Atlas and my course and be there for you in my Discord and be here on these channels, but I can't guarantee your outcomes because I can only do so much. Your outcomes are largely up to you. Any last questions or any last coins you want to look at? Anything else? Setting up Bybit with some ETH, good call. Be steady. Don't be in any hurry to do anything. Don't ever use your whole account. Definitely go through my course. Yeah. Just, you want to build momentum for yourself if you're newer to this, Fox, which I'm assuming you are if you're setting up Bybit. Just trade with little amounts to start, because it's about getting a handle on yourself, right? And use stop losses and take those losses. Don't chase. If it comes down and stops you out, it stops you out. Do not try to keep adding to it to keep your position alive. Stuff like that. I just play with 100 till I figure it out. I think that's a fantastic idea. To start getting used to it. You're starting to ride a bicycle. Let yourself get some balance. Obviously I'm showing you here these buy-sell labels are very effective. But a lot of it you're going to realize has to do with you. You managing your emotions and you deciding on when to get in, when to get out. What I do is I really just try to hit, singles. And sometimes I get doubles, triples, and home runs, but it's because they come to me, not because I chase them. I never chase them. I used to, for sure. I've lost a lot doing that. You don't have to go through those lessons though. But I take profit early. I usually use leverage, so I usually take a little bit of profit right away as soon as I can, which is probably when it moves like 1 or 2%, I take some profit, and I'll just set that, take out part of my position, and then when that happens, I'll move my stop loss just a few dollars past my entry to just lock in the profit and prevent any loss at all. And sometimes it'll stop me out and then take off, and I would have made a bunch more money if I just stayed in it. Don't care. You can't care about that. Can't chase that stuff. You're welcome, Casey. Starting, would you do 2x with 100? Well, that's the thing too, is you don't need to use all your money, right? If you got $100 of ETH in there, or USDT or whatever, just trade for a little bit. Like, if you want to do some 2x leverage, just do $20. Because 10, so you're actually putting up $10 of your own money. But 2x leverage would give you $20 worth of earning power. But the most you can lose is 10, and use your stop loss, right? Usually I put it about 1.5%, from my entry point, roughly. I do a little bit more than that because I look at where the previous price is wicked and stuff like that. But anyways. But you don't use your whole account, because if you put in $100, don't be trading with the full $100. I know that doesn't seem like much, but if you lose all that $100, it's going to really demotivate you. It's going to really demotivate you. So just trade with little bits. It's about building momentum, right? There's a lot of trades. There are trades all over the place every day. There's always another trade. You don't need any one trade to do anything special for you. It's the sum of the entire game, sum of all your trades, the sum. So if you pull the whole 20, is that profit? Well, I'm not 100% what you're asking. So if you put up $10 of your own capital and do 2x leverage, they would loan you $10 more of capital or ETH or Bitcoin or whatever it is. And so now you're trading, your profit comes off of the $20 instead of just the $10 you put up. So if it goes up 10%, if you do a long, which is when you profit when it goes up, say it goes up 10%, you would make $2. If it goes up 5%, you'd make $1 because it'd be off of the 20. If it goes up 1%, you'd make 20 cents, and that's still profit. Because if you close it as a limit, you'll also get a maker's rebate, so you'll be in the profit. And then just move your stop loss to like your entry point or just a little bit past it, so you can be sure to lock in that profit, because they will, if they hit your stop, they will close it at market price, not as a limit order, meaning that you will pay the taker's fee instead of get the maker's rebate. That type of stuff. Like you put the 10. Yeah. I hope that makes sense. If you get in Lever Atlas, you get my whole course, and there's a lot more in there that just explains basically everything. Model, can you do longs at the same time you have a short on Bybit? Not on the same coin. Not on the same trade. Like if I'm in a ETH inverse perpetual long, I can't also be in a short. But you can create multiple Bybit accounts. See what I'm saying? And if you're in a country that Bybit doesn't allow, you can just use a VPN. I'm in America. I use VPN Unlimited, and I just put my IP in Denmark. They don't do KYC or anything. Study my book, my course, But yeah, I'm not much of a reader, but I am a massive learner. I just prefer audio and video to reading. And my course is obviously video and audio. I think it does a lot more than just words. But I'm going to go. If you're not in Lever Atlas and you want to get in at the price it is today, I highly recommend getting in there. I've got a free trial running, 2-week free trial. You'll get my entire course for free. Stuff like that. We're heading to 20K. We very well could be, Ledger. All right, guys, I'm taking off. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Hey Herbert, I've granted your account access. Now all you need to do is go up to indicators, invite only scripts, and Lever Atlas should be here for you. Just click it. And then next week when I roll out the labels, I will add this, it'll be another indicator. It'll be in the same spot and you can add it. But I think you asked a question too, it had to do with TradingView. You don't need to pay for a TradingView account because you can just do the free one. But I do recommend at least the lowest paid version of TradingView just because it has more features and stuff for you to use, but you don't have to. All right, welcome in, man, and happy trading. Hey Grant, I've granted your account access, so all you need to do in TradingView now is go up here to Indicators, Invite Only Scripts, and Lever Atlas should be here. Just click on it and it should show up on your trading screen. When I do the buy-sell labels, hopefully next week, that will show up in here too, and you'll be able to add it in. You get these labels up here. Welcome in, and be sure to go through the course that should be in the link to it should be in your welcome email. Other than that, man, welcome in and happy trading.